Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by listing the 6 core topics and rank them by weight in class and exam importance, so you study highest impact material first. Create a weekly plan allocating more sessions to top-ranked topics and less to review-only items. Use 25-minute Pomodoro sessions for focused study with 5-minute breaks and one 15-minute break every 4 sessions to maintain concentration. Summarize each concept in 50 to 100 words and draw a simple diagram to link terms and processes, which strengthens recall and reveals gaps you must fill. Create 50 targeted flashcards that force active recall for definitions, pathways, and exceptions, focusing on one clear question per card. Review flashcards with spaced intervals, Day 1, Day 3, Day 7, and Day 14 for durable memory consolidation and to catch forgotten items early. Supplement cards with quick 20-minute mixed quizzes that simulate exam conditions. No notes, no phone, time to mimic pressure. After each quiz, immediately correct mistakes and rewrite concise explanations of errors to lock an understanding and avoid repeating them. Redraw 10 key diagrams from memory, labeling steps, magnitudes, and timings accurately until you can reproduce them in under 3 minutes each. Use practice problems to convert conceptual knowledge into application. Always write one-line mechanisms or pathways before solving multi-step questions. Allocate the first 10 minutes of an exam to outline answers and the last 10 minutes to review and correct simple errors, and practice this pacing during mock tests. Practice 5, past papers under timed conditions, focusing on pacing and elimination of wrong choices to build.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.